Tungsram makes it easy to upgrade your vehicle's headlights with our Nighthawk lineup of products. You can upgrade your OEM or standard halogen bulbs to Tungsram Nighthawk Standard, Platinum, and Xenon bulbs, each brighter than the next. Now let's compare the three bulbs, starting with the Nighthawk Standard. This bulb provides improved brightness and safety and the best value. Next, the Tungsram Platinum provides a next-level upgrade for improved performance. And finally, the Tungsram Xenon casts the brightest, whitest light for better visibility. So depending on your budget and need for a brighter, whiter light, you have choices when it comes to the Tungsram Nighthawk series. In order to change out your headlight bulbs, there are a few simple steps, and those steps will vary depending on the make, model, and year of the vehicle. In most cases, you'll have direct access to the bulb wiring harness, and with a turn to the left, you can simply slide the bulb from the headlight housing. Today we've chosen the Tungsram Nighthawk Platinum for this headlight upgrade. These high-performance bulbs provide enhanced nighttime visibility and styling, and they will be the perfect upgrade for this Jeep Grand Cherokee. And it's plug-and-play, no high-cost conversion. Simply plug the new bulb into the wiring harness, insert into the headlight housing, and gently twist it back into position. Then repeat the steps on the second headlight. Remember not to touch the glass of the new bulb during installation, as oils and grease can create a hot spot on the bulb and cause it to prematurely burn out. It's a great idea to always do a quick test to make sure that the bulbs are correctly installed and functioning properly before you drive off. And remember, whether upgrading or replacing a burned-out bulb in your vehicle, always remember to replace both bulbs. Tungsram also makes replacement bulbs for rear taillights, side lights, and interior as well. Go to tungsram-na.com to learn more about our full lineup of products and applications for trucks, cars, and motorcycles.